Hey, this is Dan from The Verge, and here I've got the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 7. The Note 7 is a blend of last year's Galaxy Note 5 and this year's Galaxy S7 Edge. It features a 5.7-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display, but it's got a dual curved sides now, which is new for the Note line, much like the S7 Edge. You can see the curve on both sides of the screen, as well as on the back. The back has the same type of curve as the front, which makes it very comfortable to hold. It also makes the phone 2 millimeters narrower than last year's model, even though it still has the same size screen. So it's a more comfortable device to hold. The glass on the front and the back are Gorilla Glass 5. Inside the phone is very similar to the S7 series. There's a Snapdragon 820 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM. The Note 7 comes with 64 gigs of storage, micro SD expansion. The camera systems are the same, so 5 megapixels on the front, 12 megapixels on the back with f1.7 aperture lenses, optical stabilization, 4K video, pretty much the same camera experience across the board. Note 7 is also IP68 water resistant, just like the S7 series. What there does, of course, have unique hardware features. The first major one is the iris scanner, which is new to the Note line, which allows you to unlock the phone with your iris or secure content in a secure area on the phone, which you can unlock with your iris. Of course, you also have the fingerprint scanner option as well. They can be used interchangeably to unlock your phone or access the secured content. And since it is a Note, of course, it also has an S Pen. The S Pen's been improved this year. It's got a finer point, so a little bit more precise writing, as well as twice as much sensitivity, so over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, which you can notice when you're doing writing and drawing and other functions with the pen. There's a couple new software features that are really cool. There's ability to magnify the screen using the pen, so you can zoom in a little bit. In addition to magnify, there's a translate option, so you can translate text from a few dozen languages. And then what's really cool is the new ability to make GIFs from any video source. So if you are watching a video in YouTube or a video that you've captured, you can instantly create a GIF from it using the Smart Select tool. Press record. You can choose how long it can be, up to 15 seconds. And you pretty much created a GIF that you can share right away. You can also annotate it, you can add stickers, you can draw on it, add text, etc., and kind of style it up however you'd like. So it's a really unique feature that's available on the Note 7. One last S Pen feature that is new for the Note 7 is the improvements to the always-on display and screen off memo. So the Note 5, you could draw notes on the screen when it was off. Now you can pin those notes so that they are always available in the always-on display mode. It's kind of a combination of the screen off memo and the always-on display from the S7 series. And you can hide your notes or expand them, or you can trash them right there. Other upgrades from last year, the Note 7 is launching with Android 6.0. It's got a slightly redesigned interface. Every year Samsung kind of tweaks its interface, makes it a little bit better to look at, and this is no different. The colors are more pleasant, kind of a lighter theme. Samsung's also upgraded the battery. The battery inside is 3,500 milliamp hours. It's 500 milliamp hours bigger than the Note 5s, and the charging is now done over USB-C as opposed to micro USB. Still includes fast wireless charging as well as fast charging. Samsung's going to be launching the Note 7 on August 19th across the world. Pre-orders in the US will start tomorrow, August 3rd. You'll be able to get it from all 4 carriers. It's going to be available in 3 colors in the US, a black, a silver, and then this new coral color, which is kind of like a unique blue. We'll have a lot more to say on the Note 7 once we spend some more time with it and have a review unit, so be sure to check out TheVerge.com and YouTube.com/TheVerge. Another big thing that they've added this year is improvements to the S Pen. The S Pen is kind of the defining... I'm going to try that again. The software on the Note 7, The software on the Note 7 is based on Android 6.0 MOS.